Welcome back to CoinZ.
Today, we're diving into the world of webinar hosting
and how you can turn your knowledge and expertise into a profitable venture. If you're looking to share your insights and make money while doing it, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we walk you through the steps. Chapter 1: Understanding the Power of Webinars. So, what exactly is a webinar? It's a live, online seminar or workshop where you can interact with your audience in real time. Webinars offer an incredible platform to share your expertise, connect with your audience, and, yes, make money while doing it.
Chapter 2: Choosing your niche.
Before you start hosting webinars, you need to choose your niche. Consider your expertise, passion, and what your target audience is interested in. The more specific and valuable your niche, the easier it is to attract an engaged audience. Chapter 3: Planning your webinar. Now, let's dive into the planning process. You'll need to outline your webinar content, create engaging visuals, and decide on the format, whether it's a one-time event, a series, or an evergreen webinar. Don't forget to set a date and promote it in advance. Chapter 4: Selecting the right platform. Choosing the right platform is crucial. There are various webinar hosting options like Zoom, GoToWebinar, or even free platforms like YouTube Live and Facebook Live. Pick one that suits your budget, audience size, and features. Chapter 5: Promoting your webinar. Now, let's talk about getting people to attend your webinar.
Use social media, email marketing, and your website to promote it.
Consider creating a landing page with all the details and a clear call to action for registration. Chapter 6: Monetizing your webinar. Making money with webinars is all about monetization strategies. Here are some options. Offer the webinar for free and promote your products or services during the event. Charge a registration fee for exclusive access. Sell a product, course, or service at the end of the webinar. Partner with sponsors or affiliates for additional revenue. Chapter 7: Engaging your audience. Engagement is key to a successful webinar. Interact with your audience through Q&A sessions, polls, and live chats. Keep the content interesting and valuable to maintain their attention. Chapter 8: Post-webinar follow-up. After your webinar, it's essential to follow up. Send a thank you email with the recording and any promised resources. Collect feedback to improve future webinars and nurture leads for potential sales. Chapter 9: Scaling your webinar business. As you gain experience and a following, consider hosting more webinars, expanding your niche, and collaborating with other experts. Scaling your webinar business can lead to substantial income. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to make money by hosting webinars. Remember, success in webinars takes practice and dedication, but it's a rewarding way to share your knowledge and generate income simultaneously.
Closing thoughts.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your webinar hosting experiences, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your webinar hosting journey. Feel free to adapt and customize this script to fit your personal style and the specific details you want to highlight in your video about hosting webinars for profit.